Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great exercises, some stretching exercises while sitting in a seated position on a chair. This is great for seniors and also beginners as well. So first of all, I like to sit down with my back nice and straight. So you don't want to be hunching over. You can be as straight as you can here. And let's just roll the shoulders back a couple of times and then just rest them going back into their pocket. Placing our hands onto our tummy, just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement as well. This will also help with the abs and also protect the back as well. Now what we're going to do first, we're just going to place one hand onto our leg, taking the other hand and just lifting up and coming all the way across for a nice gentle stretch on the obliques here. Again, holding in the core, lifting our arm up over our head, stretching that out, gently come back down, place the other hand onto the leg, other hand out, and then again another gentle stretch to the side. Holding for a few seconds and then gently coming back. So now let's just do a couple of neck stretches here. So I'm just going to place my head to the side. You don't want to overstretch. Place my hand out and lift it back up a bit. And then you should feel a gentle stretch on the side of your neck. If this is too much, you just release the hand. And just go as far as comfortable. Gently come back up and then head tilted to the one side. Placing our hand out, feeling a lovely stretch. And then coming and tilting the head forward, stretching the back of the neck. Again, if you do have issues with neck problems, please see your doctor first. So let's go and do a little bit of waist work here. So again, holding in that core engagement, placing one hand opposite onto the next leg, knee if you like, and just gently twist to the side. And when you do twist to the side, make sure that you're breathing outwards, you breathe out. Just a lovely gentle twist, you don't need to overdo it. And then just gently come back up, leg onto the other knee, hand placed behind, breathing in and gently breathe out while you do a gentle twist to the side. And slowly come back up here. So let's just take our hands now. Let's just take our hands, interconnect them with our fingers, pull it the other way and just come out slowly. Nice gentle stretch on the hands and the fingers here. And then come all along and just stretch out side of the arms. If you find it difficult, you can come forward, but if you can stay backwards, you should feel it on your biceps. Again, remembering to hold in the core. And then pushing out so it's back. Stretching a little bit of the shoulder here as well. And then coming back, and then taking our hands and lifting up as high as we can above our head. Lovely body stretch here. And then just gently come down. So now we're going to work a little bit on the legs here and also the ankles. So I'm just going to place my ankle and just literally lift up so taking the leg, and just literally just tilt up our foot. A great stretch here on the calf. Gently place down. Take the other foot, bring it up and just place your foot upwards. So you've got a nice stretch here on the calf here. And gently come back down. So now we're going to do a really great stretch for the leg here. So I'm going to come up slightly, tilting almost on the edge, come outwards with the leg, and just feel a nice inner thigh stretch. Again, remembering to hold in that core. You should feel it on your inner thigh here. And just gently come back up and then change onto the other leg. Now, if you want to spend more time doing these stretches, please feel free. Again, nice stretch on the core here. And gently come back up again. So now we're going to just take our foot, show you from this angle actually. So we're going to take our foot, lift it up and just very gently come forward, and again you should feel a stretch on your calf. Let's hold it for a few moments, making sure your back is nice and straight and tilted. You don't want to be hunching over, or try not to at least anyway. And then just come out of that position, take the other leg, take the foot, lift up the foot and just gently hinge forward from the hip. And gently come out and release. So then again, just pulling the shoulders backwards, just relaxing everything now. And then just a little gentle twist either side. Again, holding in the core. And then just, if you like, you can just twist your leg in different directions just so you're nice and relaxed. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And please comment down below, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay.